Two important points on a line are the intercepts of the line. First, let's start by defining what we mean by intercept. In general, an intercept of a graph is a point where the graph intersects an axis. An x-intercept is a point of the form A0 at which the graph intersects the x-axis. A y-intercept is a point of the form 0b at which the graph intersects the y-axis. We can find the intercepts when we know the equation of the graph. To find the x-intercepts, set y equal to 0 and solve for x. To find the y-intercepts, set x equal to 0 and solve for y. Let's consider the linear equation x minus 2y equal 8. Let's first find the x-intercept. We substitute y equals 0 into the equation. Then x minus 2 times 0 equals 8. So x equals 8. Thus, the x-intercept is the point 8, 0. We find the y-intercept similarly. We substitute x equals 0 into the equation. Then 0 minus 2y equal 8, so y equals minus 4. Thus the y-intercept is the point 0, minus 4. Now let's use the intercepts to graph the line x minus 2y equal 8. We already found 2 points on the line. The intercepts 8, 0 and 0, negative 4. First we draw our coordinate axes and mark a grid or scale. We plot the point 8, 0, plot the point 0, negative 4, connect them with a line that extends beyond the points to indicate that the line continues. Let's work one more example. Graph 2x plus y equals 6 using intercepts. We will first find the intercepts and then graph them. When x is 0, y is 6. This gives the point 0, 6. When y equals 0 in the equation, 2x equals 6, and therefore x equals 3. This gives the point 3, 0. To graph the line, we first draw our coordinate axes and mark a grid or scale. We plot the point 0, 6, plot the point 3, 0, and connect them with a line that extends beyond the points to indicate that the line continues.